What's up, crypto gang, and welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to be learning about Binance P2P and how it works in Nigeria. So there are so many P2P platforms in Nigeria and the rest of Africa. I'm calling it P2P wars. So many platforms are launching in Africa and they are offering a lot of different options for users. In this video, we are going to learn about how to use Binance P2P in Nigeria. If you like content like this, Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, blockchain content on the African continent, subscribe right now and turn on the notification bell icon so that you receive every video I release in your inbox and your notification. Let's get right into the video. So welcome back to this video. Once again, remember to subscribe, and in this video we are going to be talking about Binance P2P. So Binance P2P is Binance's latest product as part of the Binance ecosystem. Binance is the world's biggest global exchange. Binance has so many cryptocurrencies supported on its exchange and has so many fiat pairs on its exchange. It recently added Nigerian Naira in October 2019 and went ahead to launch Binance P2P in Nigeria. So what Binance P2P is just like every peer-to-peer platform where you are directly connected to buyers and sellers. You talk to them, you chat with them, you send the money to them, they send your coins to you, or you receive the money from them and you send the coins to them. So Binance P2P is just like every P2P platform. It's just that because it is part of the Binance infrastructure and ecosystem, it already has the security that the Binance platform has. As CZ Binance would say, your funds are SAFU, and also allows a lot of people to have access to other cryptocurrencies after they've used the Binance P2P platform. So what happens is, after someone uses the Binance P2P platform, the person can just transfer the cash straight to the Binance exchange and start trading, which is an amazing thing that most P2P platforms do not have. So on Binance P2P Nigeria, you can buy and sell USDT, which is a stable coin, Binance Coin, which is the Binance native currency. You can also buy and sell Bitcoin, BUSD, another stable coin, Ethereum, and EOS. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the platform on mobile and on desktop, right? Before you get started with using the platform, there are a couple of things you have to do. First thing you have to do is to sign up on Binance. Now, if you don't have a Binance account already, go into the description box or the description section under this video and take the link over there, click on it, sign up. Clicking on it and signing up from here would actually give you a 15% bonus on all transaction fees when you use Binance when you are trading cryptocurrencies in Nigeria. So go to the description box or the description section, click on the link in the description to sign up on Binance. You get a 15% discount on all fees when you use my link in the description when you are trading on Binance. After you are done signing up, the next thing you have to do is to register. So get yourself a valid ID and go to Binance.com, register your account to have a verified account, which allows you to trade fiat or traditional currencies on Binance. Now that you have done this, also enable your SMS notifications. Enable SMS notifications on Binance, which will allow you to see if someone is trying to reach you on the Binance platform or someone is trying to sell or buy from you. The next thing you'd have to do then is to know how to use the Binance P2P platform. And that's where we go into the tutorial part of this video. Let's get right into it. So this is how the Binance dashboard looks like when you sign up or you sign in on Binance. As you can see, it's an amazing and very easy to understand dashboard. So in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Binance P2P in Nigeria. If you're watching this video and you like this kind of content, remember to subscribe for more tutorials like this. So Binance P2P, you go to the buy crypto section, hover around it. There are so many options for buying crypto. There's bank card deposit, there's credit or debit card deposit, there's P2P, there's cash balance, and third-party payments. In this tutorial, we're using P2P crypto exchange, so you click on it. This is how the Binance P2P platform looks like, the dashboard. So you have the option to select whether you want to buy. Click on I want to buy. If you also want to sell, click on I want to sell. And yeah, that's the two options. Very simple to use and very simple to understand. Then you can select a couple of currencies to buy and sell. So let's go back to the I want to buy dashboard because that's what we are going to start with. So you can buy different currencies on Binance P2P. There's USDT, which is a stable coin, which is pegged to the US dollar. So 1 USDT is equal to $1. There's BTC Bitcoin. Most of you know about it. If not, check the YouTube videos on my YouTube channel to know more about Bitcoin. Then you could also buy BUSD, another stable currency. So for those of you who want to keep your currency in dollars and maintain the value instead of using the Naira, you can buy USDT or BUSD, sorry. So USDT, BUSD are the stable coins. Then you can also buy BNB on Binance P2P in Nigeria. Then that's the Binance native currency or coin, which powers the Binance ecosystem. Then you can also buy Ethereum. Ethereum is the second largest cryptocurrency currently, and it's a smart contracts platform, an operating system platform that allows people to create decentralized applications. And EOS, just like Ethereum, so you could buy any of that on Binance P2P. So in this section, you can enter the amount if you want to, but then we don't want to. Here you can select the currency you want. There are a couple of African currencies available. There's Nigerian Naira, Kenyan shilling. We are using Naira here. For Nigeria, you can select any payment method. In Nigeria, most people use bank, so I have selected bank. And now I'll go to the BTC section because that's what we would use for this tutorial. Now that I've got to the BTC section, I can see everybody that wants to sell. Since I have clicked I want to buy, I would see the people who want to sell Bitcoin to someone. So you can then have access to these people. And when you get access to these people, I clicked on the username, so it's taking me to the person's profile. But this is where you find the username of the individual. So this is a username, usually not the real name, of the person you're about to trade with. Then you would find the number of trades the person has initiated. So this person has initiated that amount of trades. And then you would find the percentage of the trades that they have completed. So out of the 6 trades the person has initiated, the person has completed 66.67%. Then there's FX Beast, who has done 852 trades and has completed 100% of all the trades. So maybe you will trust using FX Beast instead of GhCryptoGuy, who's another seller on Binance peer-to-peer. Then you can see the amount of money FX Beast is charging for 1 Bitcoin. The great thing about Binance P2P is you get to select between different price points. So the other person is charging a different amount and the other person is also charging a different amount. You can see the amount of Bitcoin available for the particular person you want to buy from, to sell to you, sorry. So you can buy 0.3149 from him. So you can click the buy button, and now that I've clicked the buy button, you are going to enter the amounts that you want to buy. So you could enter the amount in BTC, or you could just enter the amount in Naira. So I entered the amount in BTC first, just to show you that you could enter it there, or you could just enter the amount in the Naira section of the interface. And now that you have all of that figured out, you are going to click on the Buy Now button. So now that you've clicked on the Buy Now button, what will happen next is that the normal P2P rules apply. You get to send the person the payment. The platform will show you the kind of payment option and the payment details. You send the payment. After you send the payment, you tell the person you have sent the payment. The person will confirm that they have received the payment, and then Binance will release the funds from escrow to you. Now that Binance has released the funds from escrow to you, which is the Bitcoin that you just bought, you can go ahead and trade again on Binance, or you could go ahead and move it to your wallet. So it all depends on you. P2P is very great for these things when it comes to buying and selling cryptocurrency. And now let's go to the option for selling. So if you want to sell, this is how it will look like. So this is the BTC panel on Binance P2P. for Nigeria when it comes to selling Bitcoin in Nigeria on Binance P2P. What you see here are the people that want to buy from you or from anyone else. So you get the options to select anybody you want to sell to. So as you can see, there are so many people that want to sell. The username as usual, the price at which the person wants to buy one Bitcoin, and the amount of Bitcoin the person wants to buy. And it's a very intuitive platform, an interface which is easy to use. So I'm going to click on sell BTC to this person. And then what's going to happen is I'm going to enter the amount of BTC I want to sell to the person in Naira. Or I could just enter it in BTC instead. So after I enter it in BTC, I'll have to click on set my payment method. If you already have a payment method like bank account or bank card, it will be easier. But then for P2P, you need bank transfer. So you need to set up your payment method, which is bank transfer. It will open up a new window where you can set up your payment method. It's a very easy thing to do. Binance makes it very smooth. You just enter your bank account details, the name of the bank and the branch, and then you can go ahead and set up your payment method. So now that you are done doing this, you then can sell to the person. So after you are done doing this, you click on the sell now button, and then you sell to the individual who wants to buy Bitcoin from you. So this is how it works when you're buying crypto or selling crypto on the Binance P2P platform on desktop. So go to your app drawer, whether you're using Android or iOS, and click on the Binance app. So this is the Binance interface. This is how it looks. This is the Binance Mobile App. And for you to use P2P on the Binance Mobile App, you would have to click the buy with cash option. So click on the buy with cash option and click on P2P exchange. That's one of the ways you can reach the P2P interface. Or you can go to trade and click on P2P, and you've reached the P2P option. So the button in the corner that looks like a funnel is what will help you reach the destination you want to. So when you click on it, you get the chance to select your payment method and the currency that you want to trade in. So as you can see, there are so many options. There's Ghana Cedi, KES, but we are here for the Nigerian Naira. So we are going to find it and go ahead and start trading on Binance P2P on mobile. So I'm going to click on NGN now and press confirm. Now that I have done that, you would realize that for USDT, all the people that want to sell have shown. So I can select between buy or sell on the mobile app to do exactly any of that, either buy Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency or sell. So just like the desktop platform, you have different currencies to select from, and you can just scroll through them and find who is buying, who is selling ETH, EOS on the Binance mobile app. So let's go back to BTC. So just like with the desktop, once again, you get the option to find everything. And now that you've clicked on the person's offer, you can then enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy in Naira. And the normal P2P rules will apply, which is you click on buy BTC, you get the payment details sent to you or shown to you, and then you are able to make payments, tell the person that you made payment, and the person would confirm and the Bitcoin will be sent to you. So let's go to sell. Let's say you want to sell BTC. You get to scroll through the offers. When you find an offer that you like, you click on it. Now that you have clicked on the offer, you're going to enter the quantity. So I thought it was Naira, but then you're going to enter the quantity in BTC. So if you enter the quantity in BTC, and that is the quantity that the person has set as their minimum, then you're fine. Or between the minimum and maximum, you're fine. But it's above the maximum, you won't be able to do this. So because I've not loaded my wallet, I won't be able to sell to anyone live. But then this is how it looks like. So now that you are done and you have a payment method, select your payment method, which will be bank transfer because you're in Nigeria. And after you have done that, you click on sell BTC. The person will then send you the money through the bank account. You confirm that you have received the money, and then you finally release the funds to the person. So it's very simple using Binance P2P on mobile. Awesome. So I hope the video that you just watched explained everything to you. I just explained how it works for you on desktop and how it works for you on the mobile platform. So this way you can use Binance P2P to buy cryptocurrencies and sell cryptocurrencies in Nigeria. The great thing about Binance P2P right now is it comes as a 0% cost in terms of fees, which means that transactions are free at the time of recording this video. The next thing is there are no limitations when it comes to withdrawals, when it comes to Binance P2P, because the person pays directly into your bank account, which makes it very easy for you to sell cryptocurrency for cash or buy cryptocurrency with cash. Binance P2P is a great platform. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below, and I'm going to answer them as fast as possible. If you like this content, smash the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. I'd like to see you in the next video. Cheers.